want you to get too skinny.
Well, I do. I do.
You want to get skinny?
Yes.
How come?
I'd like to get down to 175 pounds.
175 pounds. How tall are you?
5'9",
How much do you weigh now?
184.
Oh, you don't have far to go.
No.
Brian says if you get too skinny, you have to run around the shower just to get wet.
Okay.
Tina, where's Sophia go?
What you need, huh?
Is she?
Coke? What?
I got you.
Water down here. Soda's in here. Yeah. There's tea in the house. So whatever you want some of these out in the bowl, bring a cup up and put some ice in the thing and get it cool. Okay?
Well, they said we're gonna get sick, man. We're gonna get sick together.
What do you need help with, bro? Here, I'll open it for you.
Feel better if she put a few vegetables.
You want some of this meat, honey? It's good. I'm gonna grab some watermelon. Watermelon, Sophia?
Oh, you got a plate?